Imagine a vehicle that can outshine a 5-star penthouse, outrun the ordinary, and outthink almost every home on Earth. Today's countdown breaks physics, budgets, and expectations. These aren't just RV scene, they're rolling opulence with supercar swagger. Watch to the end for a wild bonus pick, and to vote on which brand should build the next moonshot motorhome: Ferrari, active aero, carbon shimmer, sculpted cockpit glow. Bugatti, horseshoe grille, adaptive aero, royal blue body, lounge-lit suite. Maybach, digital skylight, zero-gravity rest, sweeping hyperscreen. Volvo, minimalist hush, off-grid solar calm, safety HUD. Ford, smart chassis, modular lounge, big torque confidence. Interiors, powertrains, off-grid tech, and pricing tiers. Countdown rules: brief, rated on design ethos, interior experience, performance philosophy, intelligence, and off-grid capability, because true luxury is the feeling between places. Number 5. The Visionary Minimalist. Volvo Next-Gen Motorhome Design. Ethos: Scandinavian calm meets AI forward safety. Serene lines, daylight maximizing profile, and visibility-first architecture built for low-stress travel. Interior vibe: soft textiles, light woods, acoustic panels, and a modular lounge that pivots from cinema to co-working to meditation with electrochromic privacy modes. Driving plus safety, semi-autonomous cruising, adaptive chassis, and HUD overlays that anticipate grades, wind, and routes for intuitive guidance. Off-grid tech, rooftop solar integration, and quiet hybrid operation for near-silent campground arrivals and sustainable range. Why it's number 5. The Sanctuary pick: taste and tech in a calm Scandinavian palette for those who equate luxury with silence. Number 4. The Everyday Dream. Ford Flagship, luxury motorhome design. Ethos: the attainable fantasy. Industrial tough bones dressed in executive-level trim to annihilate long hauls without drama. Interior: big lounge, smart storage, creator-friendly modular setups, and integrated 5G workspace with intuitive controls that won't overwhelm. Performance: high torque powertrain for towing, adaptive dampers for ride comfort, and loyalty-earning safety tech mile after mile. Why it's number 4. Confidence, comfort, capability, with a luxury edge that whispers instead of shouting. Number 3. The Wellness Palace, Mercedes Maybach, motorhome design. Ethos: a rolling sanctuary built like hospitality-grade wellness. Whisper quiet power and design flourishes that slow time. Signature touches: zero-gravity king bed with sleep tech and a digital skylight ceiling that paints perfect skies. Everything curated for acoustics and serenity. Technology: hyperscreen manages navigation, ambiance, privacy, and entertainment. Lane centering and surround views calm the drive. Performance: hybrid smoothness, air suspension gliding, and refined AWD. Effortless composure dressed in prestige. Why it's number 3. The benchmark for luxury first experiences, concierge-level touchpoints from bed to bath. Number 2. The Hyperyacht, Bugatti motorhome design. Ethos: sculpted aggression like a grand tourer that swallowed a penthouse. Horseshoe heritage, razor lights, active aero, and carbon titanium skins. Interior theater: panoramic suite with an AI lounge that learns preferences, spa-like bath, auto-darkening glass, hidden doors, and private club acoustics. Power plus dynamics, hypercar-inspired hybrid heart, torque vectoring wizardry, and traction logic that makes mountain passes feel like boulevards. Smart home integration, voice and gesture systems, adaptive lighting, energy orchestration, and entertainment built for nomads. Why it's number 2. Excess as an art form, engineering that makes physics feel negotiable. Number 1. The Supercar Penthouse, Ferrari motorhome design. Ethos: low sculpted silhouette with active aero, F1 style fins, and Rosso drama. This isn't an RV, it's Ferrari wearing a townhouse. Interior mastery: curved infotainment wraps the cockpit, lounge and master suite open to cinematic panoramas. Carbon, leather, and Alcantara deliver Italian couture. Performance DNA: Hybrid performance for thrills or silence on demand. Adaptive suspension makes weight feel weightless over distance. Intelligence plus sustainability. AI orchestrates climate, power, nav, and diagnostics. Integrated solar assists quiet modes. Light composites for speed and responsibility. Why it's number 1. Racing soul fused with residence-level splendor. Emotion, engineering, elegance in one address. If the prancing horse became the dream address, type Ferrari. Bonus pick, the wild card concept. A boundary pusher blending off-grid autonomy with boutique hotel warmth, retractable terrace, drone scouting, and adaptive energy shells for climate resilience. Comment bonus to unlock a future concepts episode. Imagination meeting engineering for the next decade of luxury mobility. Feature-by-feature mini-showcase design language, Ferrari, low-slung aero, F1 cues, carbon drama, aggression refined into art, Bugatti, royal blue sculpture, active flaps, horseshoe heritage, hypercar poetry, taller canvas, Maybach, seamless serenity, metallic luster, ambient cocoon, wellness wrapped in prestige, Volvo, minimalist purity, daylight architecture, safety-first silhouette. Ford, brawny confidence, executive trim, approachable swagger, tech and intelligence, AI orchestration for climate, energy, mood, and autonomy cues, more home OS than car UI at the high end, panoramic infotainment and creator-grade connectivity, work travel culture made seamless, driver assist stacks that reduce stress and conserve range, because luxury equals calm. Performance philosophy, hyper-performance ideals. Ferrari and Bugatti chase thrill across the long road. Maybach composes silence, smoothness, and tactile feel over raw speed. Ford and Volvo blend real-world capability with safety leadership and pragmatism. Wellness and interiors, zero-gravity rest, spa baths, gourmet kitchens, and lounges that double as creative studios. Ambient ecosystems, electrochromic glass, and acoustic sanctuaries, human-centered luxury. Off-grid and sustainability, solar integration, hybrid/EV modes, and lightweight composites signal a new luxury code. Intelligent energy flow manages comfort without compromise, quiet arrivals, smart autonomy. Poll: which brand builds the next boundary breaker? Ferrari, Bugatti, Maybach, Volvo, or Ford? Comment to unlock, type GUIDE for the spec sheet and decision matrix in the next pinned post. Share challenge, tag 2 friends who dare live full-time in a hyper-luxury RV. Short script, beats between segments. Some motorhomes are hotels, some are homes. These are statements that turn highways into red carpets and campsites into premieres. If a hypercar heart in a penthouse body sounds wild, wait till the AI dims the lights for sunset. Engineering meets hospitality, where the moments between places become the destination, like for the algorithmic green light. Comment the single feature that turned an RV into a fantasy. Subscribe and hit the bell to unlock prototype coverage and brand head-to-heads the second they drop.